Hello investors! In this video, I'm reviewing 5 major European brokerage accounts. I focus on security, available assets, fees, features, and taxation. 3 of these platforms I've been using actively for years, and the question is, which platform is the best? So let's dive into it. Alright, let's start with ING and security. ING has more than 37 million customers and is available in many European markets, Turkey and Australia. The Dutch deposit guarantee protects deposits up to 100,000 euros. In addition to this basic protection, ING offers an additional protection up to 3 million euros per customer. So that's the biggest deposit protection I could find in the market. In terms of asset, ING has over 70,000 stocks to choose from and over 1,100 ETFs with a savings plan. The cost of purchasing stocks are relatively high, with €4.90 plus 0.25% of the purchase value. But this fee is capped at €69.90. All ETF savings plans come with 0 fees from ING's side, so that's pretty cool. And if you want to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Co., you will be disappointed because with ING, you can't. Next up, we have features. The ING app is only available in the language of the market. If you sign up in Germany, it's German. If you sign up in Spain, it's Spanish. You cannot change the language of the app. That really sucks, so let me write to customer support right now. Otherwise, the app is really easy to use. It offers watch lists, savings plans, and you can have multiple trading accounts. You can also transfer your portfolio into ING, and you can transfer your portfolio to another bank. All taxation is handled by ING, and you don't have to lift a finger. The support is pretty amazing, and you can call them and email them. Okay, when I wrote them in English, I got an answer in German, but this answer was really good. So to conclude, ING offers a lot of stocks and ETFs, it's secure, has a simple UX, and good customer support. On the downside, it's a bit pricey and only available in the native language. I personally use ING as my primary checking account, and I have my main portfolio with them. Okay, let's continue with DKB and its security. This online bank serves 5.7 million customers in Germany. I try to figure out if they operate in any other European markets, but unfortunately they are only in Germany. DKB offers basic deposit protection up to 100,000 euros. So that's in line with the industry standards. When we look at the offering, DKB has more than 23,000 stocks and more than 2,000 ETFs with a savings plan. That's very good. Fees are fixed and simple. For stocks, it's a €10 fee for orders up to 5K, €50 for orders between 5K and 20K, or €30 for orders above 20K. For ETF savings plans, the fee is €1.50 regardless of how much you purchase. This should cover all your trading needs, except it's not possible to buy cryptocurrencies. In terms of features, DKB offers savings plans, multiple trading accounts, and 2 app languages, German and English. I only miss a watchlist here, but you could create it elsewhere. Overall, the app is very easy to use and trading is instant. You can transfer your portfolio into DKB and you can transfer it out, so that's pretty cool. Taxation is handled by DKB directly and the support via email is decent. Except the only answer is German. Here's the summary for DKB. It's a simple app with a great offering and simple pricing. It feels secure and the support is great when you speak German. I have a portfolio with them And I love it. So for German investors, this is a good choice and slightly beating ING. Next up, we talk about Trade Republic. TR has 8 million customers in 17 European countries. In general, Trade Republic is supervised by BaFin, a federal financial authority in Germany. In case of failure, up to 100,000 euros in cash is protected. The offering of Trade Republic is pretty good. TR has 9,500 stocks and 2,000 ETFs to choose from, and it charges no fees for buying stocks or ETFs. This is the best part of Trade Republic. Speaking about features, TR is very good as well. You can have a watch list, savings plans, and invest in cryptocurrencies. You also receive interest for your cash on the sidelines, and in general, TR is expanding its offering to checking accounts, cashback, and more. The language of the app changes according to your phone settings, so that's great for expats and digital nomads. However, their support doesn't exist. Yes, there are a few articles in the app, but if you want to talk to a human, it's pretty impossible. Also, I sent them an email with 2 questions and I only received an auto reply saying I should submit my request in the app. Well, thank you. If you have a problem, then it's a problem. And users had issues when moving their portfolio from Trade Republic to another bank. My conclusion for TR: it has a great user experience, a very good feature set, and the lowest fees ever. But when you have a problem, then TR could be painful. I only hold Bitcoin at my TR account as a small portion of my investments. And I had no issues so far, but if you want to choose it as your primary account for all your long-term investments, it's a good idea to research this platform more. All right, let's move on to N26. N26 has 8 million customers in 24 European countries. It is supervised by BaFin in Germany, and funds are protected up to 100,000 euros. N26 was in the headlines in 2021 because accounts were misused for money laundering. But the company has put more efforts into resolving this issue, and they hired a chief risk officer into their leadership team. N26 launched their investing feature in early 2024 by partnering with Upvest. Right now, customers can choose from 2,300 stocks and 1,700 ETFs. So there's less choice compared to other platforms, but there's good news on pricing. Since the beginning of 2025, trading is completely free. The investing features of N26 are still in the early innings. You can have a savings plan and you can invest in crypto. You can change the app language into 5 European languages. The user experience is pretty good, but there's a lot of cross-selling going on for other N26 products, and especially for their paid plans. So this could become annoying at some point. You can't move your portfolio into N26, but you can move it to another bank. Taxation is handled automatically. And as for customer support, many users complain about it. I tested a paid plan. I called N26 on a Saturday at 5 p.m. I got my questions answered, and the experience was pretty good. To conclude, N26 has less variety of stocks and ETFs, but you get a good UX, 0 fees, and a good support as a paying user. I personally don't use N26 for banking and investing, but it looks like a promising player for all your banking needs. Okay, now we move on to the final platform, Revolut. Revolut has over 50 million customers in 38 markets, including Brazil and New Zealand. Revolut Securities Europe is regulated by the Bank of Lithuania. your assets are protected up to 22,000 euros. Quite a few users complain about fraudulent transactions at Revolut, and fraud has been mentioned in the media as well. For investing, Revolut offers 3,000 stocks and 300 ETFs, as well as 200 plus cryptocurrencies. The fees are pretty high, with 0.25% of the total purchase price. So this can become expensive when you invest large amounts. Plus, when I sold an ETF, it took 2 full working days until funds were available again. This was the longest waiting time ever. The feature set of Revolut is good. You can build a watch list, use savings plans, invest in crypto, and the app language changes based on your system preferences. According to my research, you can move your portfolio into Revolut, and you can move it from Revolut to another bank. However, taxation is not handled by Revolut. You have to take care of it. Support doesn't exist. You only have articles in the app and that's it. In conclusion, I can't really recommend Revolut because of its security issues, the fees, the lack of support, and missing taxation. It has a good UX, and I'm impressed by their user growth and their constant release of new features. But I don't plan to use it for banking and investing anytime soon. That's just my personal opinion. Pooh, you've reached the end of this video. It's not easy to find the perfect brokerage account that fits all your needs. But I hope this video has helped you to narrow down your options. And because it's good to be thankful in life, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and leave a comment with your favorite brokerage account. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.